Hi everyone, welcome to a new guitar tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the main riff of the song Friends by Marshmello and Anne-Marie. The chords on this song are not so difficult, but the right hand is kind of tricky because you have to play picking the strings really fast. But I'm going to show you how to do that. So take your guitar and let's begin. The chords that we're going to use on this song are A minor, C, F, and then we're going to play an E sus4 and E, but not in the conventional way. So I'm going to show that those two chords a little bit after. I'm going to talk about the F. If it's too difficult for you to play the complete F using the bar with the first finger, I'm going to give you two alternatives to that one. The first one is using the first finger holding down the first and second string of the first fret. And then we put those fingers. Okay? That's the first alternative. The second one is the same, but instead of holding down two strings, now we are going to hold down only the second string. That's actually not an F, but it's an F with a major 7. Okay, but it sounds beautiful also in the song. Okay, so you choose which one suits you better. Okay, so let's start. When we have the A minor, on the right hand we're going to play like this. We put the thumb on the 5th string, index finger on the 3rd, middle finger on the 2nd, and ring finger on the 1st string. Okay? The thumb is going to change when we change the chords, but those other 3 fingers are always going to play those strings. Okay, so we do like this. You get it? In the song they play it really fast, like this. Okay? And right after we play the chord, we have a pause there. There are different ways to make a pause. What I do is on the right hand, I set the hand there like I'm going to play the chord again. Okay? On that way I'm muting those strings, those 4 strings. I do a little bit with the thumb that when I put on the 5th string, I also come to the 6th. On that way I have 5 strings that I mute. Okay? So on the left hand, the only thing that I do is that I stop pushing. Okay? I don't lift the fingers, but I don't hold down. Perfect. Then we come to the C, and both hands do exactly the same. Okay? I do the pause with this hand and I stop holding down. And there we have the first bar. Let's try together a little bit slower, like this. Okay? And we can play it like 4 times. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect. And then we come to the F. If you play the whole F, like I do, okay, we have to move the thumb to the 6th string. The other 3 fingers play the same strings as before. So it sounds like this. Okay? That's if you play the F like this. If you play the other 2 alternatives, one of those, the thumb plays the 4th string. Or this one. Okay? So you have to choose which alternative is better for you. Just know that the original one is with this F. Okay? So now I'm going to put together the E minor, the C, and the F. Let's try together. A little bit slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. And one more time. 1, 3, 4. Okay. And then we come to the E sus4. And we take the first finger on the 2nd fret 4th string. And the 4th finger, the pinky finger, on the 5th fret on the 1st string. On the right hand, we play with the thumb the 4th string. And now we are going to use only those 2 fingers. On the 1st string, the ring finger, and the middle finger on the 2nd. So now we skip the index finger. Okay, like that. And then we move the 4th finger to the 4th fret. So those 2 chords sound like this. Okay? And that's the whole riff of the song. I'm going to show you one time. Okay? And they just keep repeating and repeating the same riff on the verse and the chorus. Let's try together, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. And one more time. And that was the song Friends by Marshmello Anne-Marie. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you want to be updated with my new videos. You can follow me also on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and you can visit my website EasyGuitar.com, where you're going to find another tutorials and their tabs. Thanks for watching. Bye!